Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing from alternative subscriptions. I'm not sure which box this is. It could be the Trick or Treat box or the Dark Curse. And you are probably wondering why I am dressed and looking the way that I do, and that's because May is HorrorCon month and I'm really missing everything about it. It's been a year since we last went and it has been postponed because of the whole corona, and I don't know, today I'm just feeling that extra spooky. Horror films on the telly, dressed like this. It's just, what sad times. But anyway, let's get this box open. It's what the box looks inside. I think this is the Dark Curse box. So I'm going to dive straight in with a air freshener. And it is cherry scented. I think I've had an air freshener like this before and they are strong. So that's cute, and that will go perfectly in my little goth wagon. So I'm going to go straight for this big thing right here. It looks awesome and takes up most of the parcel. Enter the dark side. That is so cool. Let's actually take it out. That is so cool. Oh, where can I put that? So I pop it. My tapestry's in the way, isn't it? It's my only background. So it's just a wooden coffin shape. That smells like burnt wood. Oh my god. With what looks like 3D printed plastic glued on. I really like that. It's different. I've not seen something like that before. I might put it on my door. Cool. The next thing is we've got a little candle. Doesn't smell like anything, but they're good if you use candles. I think I've said before I don't really use them. I used to, but I don't have anything that can hold this like appropriately. But I'm sure I can use it for something, maybe to keep the mozzies away when I'm outside in the garden having a chill out day. And we have got some earrings. Oh, they're adorable. 3D printed coffins. I am getting so many 3D printed stuff. It's not a bad thing, because they're easy to look after and they don't really break. But they are very cute. Last item is also got this. I'll check that in a second. So that's what it looks like. It is, I'm not sure what it is. Is that? Well, I've got one now, haven't I? So I can't complain about that. I think it's a candle holder. Cute. Oh, well, there we go. I've got a use for it now, so I can't say I don't use candles. And it says on the back that it's Spirit of Equinox. I'm pretty sure that this is made by the same company that I got the cauldron burner from alternative subscriptions as well. I'm pretty sure it is Spirit of Equinox. So that is everything. We got the sign, air freshener, earrings, candle, and candle holder. I'm just going to double check the list. So it was a trick or treat box, so it's even more fitting my makeup. Postage is on us, and your box was worth $29.97. I really like that box. Small and sweet, not too many items, and a very unusual, what's the right word? Like something different. Like I've not seen something like this before. So I like this box. I'm definitely more tailored for the Trick or Treat box over the Dark Curse box, because I am not a witch. I'm just Paige. So yeah, that's the trick or treat box. I'll put all the links in the descriptions for you to check out alternative subscriptions and the other boxes that they offer. If you are new here, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a regular, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.